Biofouling is a major issue for ships. It increases drag significantly, which leads to higher fuel consumption. Schomberg technology introduced a game-changing solution. It offers efficient and eco-friendly cleaning methods. This technology reduces biofouling effectively. Schomberg's approach is both innovative and sustainable. With Schomberg, ships experience reduced drag, which leads to lower emissions. The shipping industry benefits greatly from regular hull cleans performed by the correct hull cleaning equipment. Cleaner oceans are now a reality. Join the future of eco-friendly shipping with Schomberg. Cleaner oceans mean better business.